Very simple. I had very long hair in Kamine, and Vishal sir was used to be very annoyed because to keep making it between shots. And I think at that point, somewhere 5 years back, in fact it was 5 years to Kamine yesterday, so it's awesome that we're here today. Thank you. I think somewhere then he decided कि अगर मैं इसको फिर से कास्ट करूँगा, तो इसके बाल नहीं होंगे. So when we met for Heather, the first thing he said, वो सब तो ठीक है, character वाइटर बाद में discuss करेंगे, but you have to go bald for this film.
Because this was a revenge drama, so I needed revenge.
But how intense of a character is Heather?
Well, it's the most difficult role that I've done in my career, I would say. And thank you, I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. Oh, that is loud, man. You don't need a mic. You definitely don't need a mic. No, so it's definitely a very, very intense character. Actually, I went bald for just one day of shooting. And it's something that because this is that kind of film, you know, there are some films that actors do for box office numbers or for, you know, stuff like that. And certain films you do because they are films which you make from your heart. So this is cinema of passion. It required me to take my hair off and I went for it, man.
One thing's for sure, if so many people go, for 1 week at least I'm not getting a ticket in the theatre, that's for sure. So, we have a few people out here who want to come up and ask you a question. So, let's have you, and you. Come on. Yes.
You know, one works with all kinds of directors, but I feel he's somebody who's... Actually, we spoke when he wrote the script of Heather, Vishal sir called me and said, "यार तुम बड़े lucky हो यार. मैं जब भी कोई फिल्म में तुमको कास्ट करता हूँ, तुम्हारा रोल बड़ा अच्छा लिख दिया जाता है." So I just, he's really lucky for me. You know, he's really lucky for me. I've never received this kind of a response for myself. It happened with Kamine, with how people reacted to the look and the vibe, and it's happened again after 5 years. And nothing happened in the middle 4 years, which was so exciting. So, you know, a lot of my career is thanks to him. And I feel very fortunate. You know, it's a weird feeling because on one hand you feel very insecure about the role that he's given you because it's always way beyond your capacity. But at the same time you feel very secure because he's directing the film, so you feel like he will take care of you. So yeah, but a lot of my career is thanks to Vishal sir, and I must say that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we have a question for Shraddha also, with the loudest voice in the audience.
Hi.
I'm a little starstruck right now. I'm sure all the guys are jealous. Firstly, how do you manage to look so beautiful? How do you manage to look so beautiful? And your voice.
How do you what? What is your question? Why am I so beautiful? Why is she so beautiful? Why is he so beautiful? Why are you so beautiful? You need to find a voice, otherwise I'll keep confusing you.
Okay, so basically what he had to ask you and he forgot once he saw Shraddha was that how is Shahid as a co-star to work with?
That's your own question, man. That has nothing to do with his question.
Question. Don't cheat. Cheating.
Was this your question? Are you sure?
His legs are shivering.
So, go ahead and praise me, Shraddha.
I should. But definitely to answer your question, for me to get an opportunity to work with Vishal sir and for him to give me such a role, the adaptation of Ophelia, Arshia in Heather, and definitely to work with Shahid here as well, and the whole cast in the film. So just the opportunity has been so amazing, and he is amazing to work with, and he's a lot of fun. And I've seen his mad side also. So it's a combination of to be able to learn from him also and have fun with him also. So it's a good deadly combo.
Lovely. We have another question.
Hi, what's your name? Hi, nice to meet you.
What was the special thing in Hyder that
You want to answer questions so the cameras can also see? Yeah.
What was so
First,
special?
wave to the camera. Say hi to mom and dad. Say hi, mom.
Hi mom.
Say hi, dad.
Hi dad.
Say I love you.
I love you.
And now I'm famous.
I'm really famous.
All right.
And I love Shahid Kapoor too. What was that special thing in your role in Hyder that made you actually choose it?
Obviously, in fact, I had been chasing Vishal sir for almost 3 years, saying that he needs to cast me in a film because he's surrounded by too many phenomenal actors. To begin with, my father, Irfan Khan, Tabu, KK, and Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah. The list is endless. So I was very insecure that he'd keep working without me. So I used to keep going and meeting him. And then he finally told me that there was this one role which he thought may be right for me, and that was he wanted to make his third adaptation of Shakespeare, which was Hamlet. And that's how that started. And I told him, sir, regardless of anything, I'm on. And that's when he started writing the film, and everything happened after that.
Well, I think it's going to be a brilliant movie. We've been seeing the trailers, we've been seeing the posters, and it looks amazing. I want to hear make some noise for Hakan. Shahid sir, one last. Shahid sir. Shahid sir, one question. Okay, I'm going to ask Shraddha also. You've had an array of actors, as Shahid mentioned, KK, Irfan Khan, Tabu, brilliant actors. So, give us an instance of, these actors, because how was the experience working with them firstly?
So, me being a newcomer and to get that opportunity ki around me there are such phenomenal actors, every day I'd be pinching myself ऐसे कि Shraddha realize कि तुम्हें ऐसी opportunity मिली है, तुम इतने बढ़िया actors के साथ काम कर रहे हो. So it's been an opportunity of a lifetime for me, and I'll always cherish it. Yeah.
So,